Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a buttonhole attachment on these vintage machines. They don't have the built-in buttonhole makers. First thing you do is take off your regular foot. Take your buttonhole out, and you will select, well, let's open this up first. You'll select what size button hole you want to put in it from your selection. You know, you might always use the same one. Here's the little itty bitty ones. Whichever you want, you'll stick that down in there. It's a little bit hard for me to get in and out, but so that's why I didn't really want to take it out. It's hard for me to get in and out. But anyway, I went back in there. So you shut that back up. Then you're going to bring this over to the machine. This arm right here is going to go right over that arm. Gotta get everything lined up just right. That goes there. And this is going to hook over here. I used to pop these things on here when my kids were little. Especially my girls. I used to sew for them all the time, making them dresses. So I used this thing all the time. I haven't used one since they were little, so I about forgot how to do it. I'm probably not going to be able to get it on because I just can't do tedious things like this anymore. I don't know if you can see. Hopefully you can see. I was hoping to do the entire video for you and do a buttonhole, make one. But like I said, I'm not going to be able to get it on there. It would take me a while. But anyway, once you get it set up like that, then you're going to put your fabric under it. You will put your fabric under it like that after it's hooked up, and it just automatically, it'll make it automatically just like the new sewing machines nowadays make one. I did one right there, not real great. And then you're going to go in there with the your seam ripper. It's the best thing to use. I don't have a seam ripper right here right now. But then you'll go ahead and you'll cut it open. That's how you make the buttonholes on one of these machines. Okay, now while I got this out, I was talking about this earlier about an ankle. So while I'm talking, I'm gonna go ahead and show you this. This one is not the right one to this machine. But most of these machines in the day had this kind of feet on it, and you have to screw them on like that. Now, if you want to add the kind that just pop on like that, you can. All you need to do is get an ankle like this. You got to get the right one that fits your machine, though. This is not the right one. This is just one I happen to have. I don't really know what machine it goes to. And then, of course, you screw this on. But it goes on basically like your foot right here goes on. And then after you get it on, then it'll just pop on just like any of the other, you know, pop on like that. And you can use those kind of feet if you want to. So, that's that video today. Hope that it helped you out a little bit. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye.